Exercise 2, Accommodation. Listen to some conversations and fill in the missing information in the form.
Conversation 1. Have you got a single room for 2 nights, please?
Yes, room 309 on the 3rd floor.
How much is it?
£14.50, including breakfast. Conversation 2. Can I book a double room for the weekend, please?
Yes, we have a room vacant on the 1st floor, number 135.
How much does it cost?
£25, including English breakfast.
Conversation 3. Have you got a triple room for 1 week, please?
Yes, room 205. It's on the 2nd floor.
How much is it?
£30 a night, including a private bath.